$5, make it hurt.
Hey, what up, loves? All right, so it's getting late. Excuse the little mess, my little bun. But it's getting late. I'm about ready to cook, and I really want to bring y'all along with me. So come on, I'm about to show you how I get down in this good kitchen. Let's go. Until it don't look murky and cloudy. I'm gonna give it one more good rinsing. Grease, you just want to make sure it's big enough to cover the food. And I kind of measure how much is in there ahead of time. Go ahead and put my lid on. I'm going to go ahead and start preparing round 2. Alright, so the chicken, it was starting to float. I set it up here so we can drain. I got my pan ready. Pretty much I just took a pan, put a paper towel on there to catch the extra grease. First little batch is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and let it drain and, you know, get a little room temperature so I can take a nice little bite. You know, I gotta taste it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and drop in that second batch. That I already been preparing and got ready, so stay tuned for that.
What's that? Macaroni?
Yes, it's macaroni, your favorite. I'm doing it in the oven.
This one?
Yes.
Thank you.
You are so welcome. Yeah, she already know that macaroni. We don't play around with it. hot. I have to get me a glass of Kool-Aid. I'm thirsty too. All right, back to the food. Look at that macaroni. Look at that baby. It's already doing what it do. It's already doing what it do. All right, bet. And then that chicken. Let's take a look at that chicken. Hold on, come on. Got the chicken over here, nice and crunchy, doing what it do. Looking all good and beautiful. One of them things missing about that baby, but I have to get a good taste in. But it's okay. It's okay, because that's what happened when you the cook. You can do that. So yeah, wait for that macaroni to get done, green beans on. That's gonna complete our meal. And I'll catch you back with the full finished thing. There you go. OMG, oh my goodness. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna start on my canopy. Now I see why women don't cook as much anymore. I mean, I am tired. I feel like I spent most of the evening cooking. Granted, it was good, but you know, once you eat, you want to go to sleep. And now, I gotta clean. Goodness gracious. You know how women back in the day used to take all day just to make dinner? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They'd be in the kitchen all day, cooking and cleaning all day. Now I see why. I mean, food from scratch is good, but goodness gracious. The kitchen is hot. The kids are running through the house. Oh, but it was good. Was it worth it? Hell yeah. Would I do it again? Every night. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm about to do a surprise dessert. Because you know, with that good ass meal, we gotta have something to go with it. So, let's see. Yes, a Dutch apple pie. I mean, because why not? So I already got the oven preheated to 400. Yes, stick with the macaroni. I'm about to go ahead and get down a plate. Look at that. Don't that baby look lovely? I mean, just lovely. Yummy. So I already got it preheated to 400. And then I'm about to go ahead and get this apple pie on there. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so y'all know this gonna go on to the end as the instructions say. But this baby right here gotta go on right now. So what I'm gonna do, move this off to the side. And this is the pan that I'm about to put it on. I'm sure I had a knife or some scissors around me. This will be different. I'm gonna go ahead and rip it though. Why not? Damn. I mean, it's already in a pan, so I guess I really don't need a pan. But you see how these little crusties is falling out? That's why I put it on an extra pan. Then we're just gonna go ahead and plop that baby in 400. And it has to cook for like an hour. So while we're eating dinner, that can do its thing. So, sound good to me, it's all good to you. Let's get back to the food. I mean, just get into it. Just get into it. Just get into it. Yes. Yes. I'm hungry.
Yum, yum, yum.
Don't get it twisted. We can put some Kool-Aid or some juices with it. But I'm hungry. Yes. So good.
I know.
Is that good or what?
Yummy.
Yummy. It's kind of hot. Is it like that? Is it good, Anna?
Cause you're always a hot chick. It's always cute because, mommy, look at your eyelashes. Your eyelashes is super cute than anything. Ow!
Bon appetit. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby.
Mommy, do not eat the pie.
This what I'm talking about.
Mommy, do not eat the pie.
Hush, baby.
We have to put topping.
Yes, baby. Look at that. I like that. I like that. Surprise. We ain't got no ice cream, but we do got some of this. Yes. All right. That's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all cooked dinner with me and got a little bit of dessert. I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.
Beats by Dallas, make it hurt.